In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix crawled not indexed in Wix. If you've noticed that some of your web pages on the Wix platform are being crawled but not indexed, then you've come to the right place. This issue can be frustrating as it means your pages are not being shown on search engine results, which can affect the visibility and reach of your website. But don't worry, we're here to help you resolve this issue step by step. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any that you're comfortable using. Once you're there, you need to navigate to your browser settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of most browsers. Look for an icon that resembles three dots or lines. Clicking that will open a drop-down menu where you'll find Settings or Options. Once in Settings, you need to locate the area that deals with your browsing data. Again, this will vary slightly depending on the browser, but it typically is labeled something like privacy and security or just directly available as clear browsing data. This section allows you to manage the data that your browser has stored while you've been using it, including cache and cookies. Now, once you're in the clear browsing data section, take a closer look. You'll usually see options to clear your browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Here, it's important to ensure that both cache and cookies are selected. You might be wondering why this is necessary. Well, clearing these helps to reset any stored information that might be affecting your connection with the Wix site or the way the site appears in search engine indexes. Go ahead and clear this data. The process shouldn't take long depending on how much data is stored. You'll get a fresh slate for your browser to work with. After you've cleared your cache and cookies, it's time to return to your Wix site. Check if the issue of crawled not indexed is resolved by searching for your page again, or use the Google Search Console tool to inspect the URL. This tool is invaluable as it provides direct insights from Google on your page's indexing status. If the problem persists, there might be other factors at play, such as noindex tags, robots.txt files, or a need for better content optimization. But for many, simply clearing out the old cache and cookies refreshes the connection and solves the issue. And that's it. It's a quick but effective way to tackle the crawled not indexed issue in Wix. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and stay tuned for the next video!